Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about my evening routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. Do you feel tired after a long day? Do you come home and see a messy house? Do you feel stressed in the evening? Many people feel this way. You are not alone. Sometimes I feel tired too. Sometimes I feel a little stressed. But I have a simple evening routine. It helps me relax. It helps me feel calm and happy. Today, I will share my slow and peaceful evening with you. It is simple. It is warm. It is full of family time. I usually finish work at 5 o'clock. I take the bus home. The bus is a little noisy, but I sit quietly. I look outside the window. The sky is orange and pink. It is very beautiful. When I arrive home, I open the door. I take off my shoes. The floor feels cool. I take a deep breath. I feel happy to be at home. First, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is clean and bright. I see David. He is already there. He smiles and says, "Welcome home." I smile and say, "Thank you." We make dinner together. This is our special time. We cook rice. We cook vegetables. The food smells warm and sweet. The kitchen feels cozy. I cut the vegetables slowly. The colors are beautiful: green, orange, and yellow. David cooks the rice. He checks the pot. The steam rises slowly. Cooking together is simple, but very nice. Oh no! Now I look at the living room. There are toys everywhere. The room is messy. I see dolls on the floor. I see books on the sofa. I see small cars under the table. I feel a little tired, but I do not get angry. I take a deep breath. I call the children. Tom, Lily, please come here. They come and look at the room. They smile a little. I say, "Let's clean together." We work together. We put the toys in the box. We put the books on the shelf. We clean the table. Now the room is clean again. It looks nice and tidy. Look at this word, messy. Messy means not clean. Things are everywhere. And this word, tidy. Tidy means clean and organized. Now the room is tidy. It feels calm and comfortable. Then dinner is ready. We sit together at the table. The food is warm. The smell is sweet. We eat slowly. We talk and smile. David asks about my day. I say, "It is okay. Busy." A little long, but now I feel relaxed. The children talk about school. Tom tells a funny story. Lily laughs loudly. We all laugh together. This moment is very special. Family time is very important to me. We drink water. The water is cool and fresh. After dinner, David washes the dishes. I clean the table. We help each other. We like to keep things tidy. A clean home feels peaceful. Next, we go to the living room. We sit on the sofa. The sofa is soft and warm. I take a book. I read slowly. The story is simple and calm. David listens to soft music. The music is quiet and gentle. The children sit near us. Sometimes they draw. Sometimes they read. The room is quiet. The light is soft. Everything feels peaceful. Look at this word, relax. Relax means you rest. You feel calm. You feel quiet inside. Now I relax with my family. This is my favorite time of the evening. After that, it is time for the children to sleep. I help them get ready. They brush their teeth. They wash their faces. I say, "Good job." They wear soft pajamas. The pajamas are warm and comfortable. We go to their room. The room is small but cozy. I read a short story. My voice is slow and soft. They close their eyes. They feel sleepy. I say, "Good night." They say, "Good night, Mom." I turn off the light. The room becomes dark and quiet. Now I go back to the living room. The house is very quiet. Around 9 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with warm water. The water is warm and soft. It feels very good on my skin. I look at myself in the mirror. I smile. It is a long day, but a good day. Finally, I change into my pajamas. They are soft and light. Now I feel very relaxed. Before I sleep, I sit quietly on my bed. I take a deep breath. I think about my day. I think about small happy moments. The warm dinner, the family time, the quiet evening. Simple things make me happy. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I feel happy to be at home. I feel happy to be at home. Very good. Repeat after me. The room is clean and tidy. The room is clean and tidy. Great job. Now, a question for you. Do you remember? What time do I get ready for bed? A, 7 o'clock. B, 9 o'clock. The answer is B, 9 o'clock. Well done. Finally, I turn off the light. I lie down on my bed. The bed is soft and warm. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. My body feels relaxed. My mind feels calm. A quiet evening makes a good night. That is my evening routine. What about you? What do you do in the evening? Do you relax or feel busy? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.